we put the car on the trailer and there was ice on the trailer.
Right.
So it slid like sideways a bit, and almost as he was backing up, the fucking ramp broke. Dropped the car half on the trailer, half on the ground.
What's up, dudes? Welcome back to the vlog. Today, we're hauling cars. We're bringing Kevin's Civic. Kevin, who doesn't watch these vlogs, we're bringing his Civic out to Jamie's place and storing it for the winter. So, let's get on. Should have warned you, but we're vlogging it.
It's okay.
Yep. One surprise. I'm running out of content for December. All right, let's go get us a Civic. All right, made it to Kevin's house. We're gonna try to get this car out of here. We gotta boost it. Hondas. I thought they ran all the time. So I don't know how much you guys are gonna hear or not hear because it's a little bit windy and I have a really crappy microphone on this thing. So we're gonna hope for the best. Grab the booster pack. See if we can't get a Civic running. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. How you gonna drive it?
I'm gonna climb into the driver's seat. See? That's what happens when you start stripping a car and you've got kids. You gotta stop.
That battery is totally cooked, so battery's finished. We're gonna let it sit and see if it charges a little.
Oh yeah. Hopefully next year.
So I guess we'll let this thing charge up a little bit, try to get it on the trailer. We'll keep you informed.
Yeah, no?
I don't really have to worry about it until it's on the trailer. Just in case. Oh yeah, I want to watch you struggle.
Okay. There you go.
Race cars, eh? So let's go see if we can get this thing on the trailer. Let's hope he keeps it running because I don't know if it'll start again under its own power. Hopefully we got plenty of charge in the booster pack. So let's catch a shot of this coming around the corner. I'm hoping to convince Kevin that he's gonna road race with that car. I think it'd be worth it. I think it'd be good. Oh, it's spinning. All right, we're gonna try to sprinkle some kitty litter on it. Try to get us some traction.
can't go that way. Oh.
Don't move. Okay. Straight back. Gently. Oh, I busted the fucking ramp off. We just broke the fucking ramp. I think we're just gonna drive the car there. He's gonna drive it there. So, should. If it goes high enough. Even just high enough to take the weight off of it. It's gonna be an adventure. Okay, so I think we got this little puzzle figured out. We put some weights underneath the tire, a jack underneath all that. Where is it? There it is. Sorry, that was way zoomed in, but yeah, I think we got it figured out. So, you want to put weights under the tire? Yeah. Okay. Make sure you get the jack out after.
I'm owning a Civic.
A lower Civic. It had to be like that.
Oh, right on the lenser.
It's good? It's good!
Yeah,
Man.
we're back on track.
How did that happen? Ugh. Stupid cameraman. What? There we go. Now we know. Next time we drop the car off the trailer. This is like that, you know, that game where you got the dog can't stay with the rabbit and the rabbit can't stay with the lettuce and you have one boat and two places to go.
Always like that. When you think it was finally easy and good, no. There you go.
Looks like we're throwing everything back in the trailer and working on plan B. We'll get back to you. Okay guys, so the plan, that trailer, because we just busted a ramp. And if you didn't hear us talking that whole time what we were doing, it was kind of a little bit of an adventure, yeah? A little bit of a puzzle to figure out. So we jacked up the car from both sides, put those rubber weight things underneath and lowered the car, or moved the trailer, sorry. We had to pull out those rubber mat deals and bring the car back down on the ground. So now we're burning a whole bunch of time for nothing. So basically, I'm gonna drive the truck and trailer all the way up to Jamie's house. He's gonna follow in the Civic. Hopefully we make it. And then he's going to bring me home. So yeah, we're killing a whole bunch of time here. It's now, okay, this truck doesn't work. It's 2:19. So hopefully we get to Jamie's at like 3. I'll probably talk to you guys on the road, but that's what's up. That's what's going on. I'm driving the truck up there with nothing on the trailer. Kevin's following behind in the Civic. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see it? We're gonna go pay $100 to get this stupid trailer through the toll booth for, no, it's not $100, but it's like 5 something because they charge you per axle. We're at the toll booth now. We're almost at Jamie's place and we'll catch up with you guys when we get there. Ah, we made it! Peace, bro. What's up? How's it going, man? All right. Yep. Oh, look at that freaking Jamie! What's up? What's up?
Already eating a bit much this morning. Is that on?
Yeah, it's on.
What's up?
Of course it's on. Oh, stop. we put the car in the trailer and there was ice on the trailer.
Right.
So it slid like sideways a bit, and almost touched the wall. So we're like, okay, fuck, we'll back it off and then we'll take a run at it. We put salt on it and stuff. As he was backing up, the fucking ramp broke. Dropped the car half on the trailer, half on the ground.
Nothing got damaged?
No, it just missed his oil pan and some other shit and landed on the bumper.
That's
We got luck.
and nobody else.
Good, good. That's amazing. It made it here. That car made it here on no battery.
Well, I've never had any Honda besides like really bone stock, and only the worst like this. Oh no, wait, it's in the garage. Like a 2000, 2005 generation.
The EM2.
I've never had VTEC. I've had 3 or 4 Hondas, all non-VTEC.
Me and you were drifting. Sean and Brent are drag racing.
Yeah.
Maybe it's time that Kevin gets on a road course.
We technically
So
were,
my plan is-
Tyler and Sean want to get more and more because they're boys and they love it. But Sean and Tyler are going to become more and more pickup guys, so tool guys, carry tires guys. I've got another full set of
Drag
drift
us home
rims.
after.
So Sean and Tyler are all willing to just fill their truck with rims and tires, which is also going to help. Yeah, it's always nice to have them come to the track.
Hell yeah.
Mano's trying to work on his 240 as much as he
Oh,
can,
yeah?
so we gotta make him get that. If he gets that car driving, he wants to drift it, so there's only one way to practice.
Right on.
I think my car's still in the rain. My car's still getting rained on. Oh, there she is.
See how soggy wet that is?
It should be frozen now.
Yeah.
Centered, but I've been parking my daily in there for now.
Another car storage at Jamie's place.
Yeah,
Place to
buddy.
be.
Thank you for hooking us all up. Awesome. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna have to be pushing, guys.
I'm the cameraman. I don't have to do shit.
Okay, I didn't want to, but I'm gonna help him push. Oh, he got it. He got it.
I mean, our little figure 8 drift sesh kind of made the driveway shitty
That's-
after I passed the snowblower.
That's what that is?
Should have filmed. I mean, I think somebody might have got some footage.
There goes your cabin.
Do one donut over there.
Drive like a pussy. You show him how to do a donut, fuck. What's up, boys?
Walk on.
Hey, nice pajamas.
Wait, needs to bed my girl in case it smell like gas.
Gas or ass. Smell like something.
We
No?
were gonna go in the house. And
I heard a little bit about it, but
gas tank repair kit here. The purge solenoid or something. It's like a line that goes off the tank and it's like rotten off.
oh yeah. So you're gonna fix
the
it?
whole gas tank.
You're gonna fix it with that?
It's literally the size of a like screw.
Can't go
Right
wrong.
on. Stays cold.
I've come to the realization that every time that you guys see me, I'm always drinking.
I'm gonna arrange a drink and stuff split and we're gonna go drive. Keep coming, keep coming. Okay. That should do it.
Hi, sweetheart. Time to go. Do, 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 do.
And then I'll just close this garage for the winter because this used to be open to the other garage, but I this door here. But I fully like screwed the frame so we're not like going in and out of all the garages. So this part will pretty much be closed on its own.
There you go. That was quite surprised. Hello there.
Ran okay?
I'll deal with it next year. Hood pins in the work.
Oh yeah, yeah.
After all that crap, dropping the car off the trailer, we finally got the damn thing here, stored for the winter. So all that's left really is for Kevin to bring me home in the trailer because we brought his truck and that car. So let's go hang out, have some fun. Saturday is for the boys, so see what kind of trouble we can get into.
Behind me or whatever, some asshole fighting over me. Blind for that.